Good morning, my name is Barb Malera. I'm with the Heirloom Horticultural Company Harvesting History. For the 2022 gardening season, we have created 6 videos on lilies. The lilies that we offer are largely Asiatics and doubles. We hope that you'll enjoy and learn something from each of these videos. This video is about our Oriental Trumpet Lilies, and as you will find out, my favorite all-time lily is an Oriental Trumpet known as Purple Prince. The Oriental Trumpet Lily blossoms are much longer than other lily blossoms and are somewhat trumpet-shaped, flared at the end. They come in a broad range of colors, and the plants themselves can be very tall, averaging between 40 and 72 inches in height. They should be planted at the back of your garden. This is the Oriental Trumpet Lily, known as Alteri. I have to tell you that this lily was a complete and total and magnificent surprise when we grew it this year in our gardens. The header that tells you what the lily's supposed to look like does this lily no good. This is one beautiful lily. The blossoms are huge and complex. You can see that vivid green star at the center, and then the raspberry feathers that are at the center of each petal. What you can't notice is the heavenly fragrance. This is a beautifully fragrant lily and really deserves a place in any garden where the gardener loves lilies. This is the Oriental Trumpet Lily, known as Alteri. This is my favorite. This is the Oriental Trumpet Lily, known as Purple Prince, and it is a prince of a flower. This stand now has about between 10 and 15 plants. It was started with 5 plants about 5 years ago. As you can see, it dominates its place in the garden because of its absolutely beautiful color and tall, statuesque habit. It also has a lovely but not overbearing fragrance that wafts across the entire garden, and depending on where you have it, often will enter your home and fill your home with the fragrance. This is the Oriental Trumpet Lily, Purple Prince. It usually gets between 36 and 48 inches tall. The Oriental Trumpet Lily, Purple Prince. This is a close-up of the Oriental Trumpet Lily, Purple Prince. And as you can see, yes, it's very purple. So for those who love magenta or purple, this is the lily for you. The Oriental Trumpet Lily, Purple Prince. This magnificent lily is the Oriental Trumpet Lily, known as Robert Swanson. Now, this lily is purported to grow between 40 and 44 inches. And this particular plant has been in this garden for at least 4 years. I will tell you, it has never been shorter than 44 inches, and sometimes it's up there closing in on 60 inches. When I first planted this, I did it merely to get the photographs, because I thought to myself, who would want a lily with this color variation in it? But now I know. This is truly a magnificent specimen in any garden. And the rust-colored part of each petal over the 4 years I've been observing this lily, has gotten larger and larger and larger. And it's such a rich color for the garden and in the middle of the summer. Robert Swanson doesn't tend to fade as quickly as many of the Oriental and Asiatic and Oriental Trumpet Lily blossoms fade. It stays with this rich color for a number of days before then it does begin to fade. And as for Robert Swanson, I believe he is the man, the venture capitalist who took over Genentech and then led the project to the mapping of the human genome. So this little lily more than does him a great honor by being so beautiful and magnificent itself. It certainly mirrors the accomplishment this man made to our understanding of life. This is the Oriental Trumpet Lily, known as Robert Swanson. If you have enjoyed this video, please come to our website, www.harvesting-history.com, where you can purchase heirloom, non-GMO vegetables, flowers, and herbs. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends our channel. On the left side of your screen, there is our most recent video, and on the right side of your screen is one of our playlists. We are Harvesting History, seeding the future.